Skipper, you sure this is the right track? Yeah. Okay, I trust you. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Don't you think, Chelsea? Chelsea? Chelsea! Why are you sleeping? That is not funny. You were sleeping. No. No. No, you were the one who was sleeping. No, I wasn't. No! Girls, this is supposed to be a family vacation. Relax. Yeah, I guess so, but it was kind of annoying how you took my phone. There's really nothing to see. Can you girls at least be quiet? Enjoy. Okay, we're here now. Well, I sure am glad that that's over. I'm using the bathroom. Okay, Chelsea, while Stacy's using the bathroom and Skipper's, I guess, in the front, can you please help me by putting the deck down? Okay, fine. First, let me just go and get the barbecue and the chair. Okay. There's the chair. Let me go and get that. There we go. Chelsea, can you get the barbecue? Okay. Where is it? It's, I think, at the corner. All right. Now, where is the corner? Aha! There it is. Chelsea, is everything okay? Yep. Okay, it's all right. Whoa. Now we have to go and put it down. Now how? Barbie's gonna go and find a way. Chelsea, where are you? What are you doing there? Shouldn't we keep it like that? I like it down. Let's put it down. I guess that's how it is. I want to sit. I get the seat. Now this is life. Can I sit over there? After all, I was the one who wanted to sit there. Sorry, Pipsqueak. Too late. What? Not fair. Ha 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 ha. Let's see what Stacy has. What's wrong, Chelsea? I'm kind of bored. I don't know. Skipper took my favorite place. I did what Barbie asked. You were in the toilet. What do I do? Why don't you play hide and seek? With who? With yourself. And your imaginary friend, Mr. Fuzzy Pants. Mr. Fuzzy Pants is on a leave. Then just explore. Explore! Thanks, Skipper. Stacy. Well, that was fast. Woo! Woo! A birdie! Hey, birdie, wait! I hear a hoo-hoo. Wait! Chelsea, don't go too far. What? I was just going to see a bird. No, you weren't. You were trying to go far, and I know you. Come on, dinner's ready. You are not going far, anyways. But no buts. Come on. So, girls, what did you think about my cooking skills? Barbie, that was amazing. I love the way you cooked the rice with the what was that again? The baked beans, you mean? Oh yeah, that one. I loved it. And you, Chelsea? What's wrong, Chelsea? I thought you played the game exploring with your friend, Mr. Fuzzy Pants. Chelsea, is everything okay? I think she's in a bad mood that I didn't let her go explore. Chelsea, sorry for making you upset. This was supposed to be a family vacation. I guess you can go and explore. Really? Thanks. Not too far, please. Alright. You two girls change in your pajamas. Okay, we'll change. Alright. Where to explore? Where to explore? No, this way. Actually, this way. Nah, this way. Not too far, please. Oh. Okay, this was the same route. So let me go and hear the bird. Another bird! What is that weird noise? It looks like a bundle of birds are doing that. Cheep, 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 cheep. Barbie said a no to go far. It's okay, just 2 steps wouldn't hurt, right? No one's listening. Okay, so... Okay, few more steps. This is just one... This is 1 step. So this is 1 step. So, 1 step. Whoop! What could possibly go wrong? La 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 la. Boing, 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 boing. Boing, 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 boing. Barbie said something is wrong. What was that noise? I heard something. Oh, okay, that's just a bird. It's getting pretty late. I'm just being such a chicken. I'm not a chicken. Hey, Stacy, have you seen any sign of Chelsea? No, Barbie. I thought you had to take care of her, or she had to come back early. That's okay. Maybe Skipper will help. Skipper! Okay, to get the makeup is to pull this. So I have to pull this. This is heaven! Skipper! Oh, great. What does she have now? Yeah, Barbie, what do you have? Oh, my poor makeup is gonna go. Skipper! Hurry up! Oh, but I don't want to leave my... Actually, I'm coming. Hurry up. So, any sign of her? Sorry, Barbie. No sign of her. I didn't even know where she went. Okay, Skipper, you may leave. I get to do what I want. Makeup, here I come. What was that I heard? Nothing. Cheer up, Barbie. Maybe you scream as loud as you can to Chelsea. Oh, good idea, Stacy. Chelsea! 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 It's okay, Barbie. Don't worry. We'll find her. How will we? I know, Chelsea! Hehehehe. Ooh, some makeup. Chelsea! Huh? What? Ow! It is getting kind of scary. Whoa. And it is dark. Huh? Who's there?